Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix fast charging not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and click on battery. Sorry, go back and click on battery and click here showing you fast charging. After enable fast charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so check your charger. After check your charger, and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Now in setting, you will see second option is my phone. Click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.